Hey, what's up you guys? It's Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be a little chit chatty get ready with me as well as a school supply haul for senior year. So if that sounds interesting, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so today is just some like simple, I gotta go to work makeup, but I still need to look decent because there are gonna be people type of look. I normally don't wear foundation to work just because it's a little too heavy. The Tarte Shape Tape, which is pretty like high coverage. So I'm just gonna start off by like applying that, I guess, how you would any other concealer. This year, I'm going to be a senior. You may have heard of something called senioritis, and I'm scared I'm gonna suffer from it and like mess up my 3 years of hard work. But hopefully it doesn't come to that. I'm normally a decent student, so we'll see what happens. One day I'll do a little like makeup desk setup tour thing where I show you like my whole vanity setup and all that. I mean, it's nothing special. It's mine, so I love it. And I've got a lot of acne going on right now because I just got back from my dad's house, and my acne always gets bad when I go there because he always feeds me junk food. Just like chocolate and stuff like that. But I love going to my dad's house because my little sister's there and she's precious. She is about to be 10 months old. I just can't believe it's already almost been a year that she's been with us. Her name's Maggie, by the way. She's the little baby that was in the outro of my last video. She's precious. I love her so much. She's just like my everything. I love her so much. Normally after I do that, I don't set it yet because like this concealer doesn't really get that oily on me or like crease that bad. I normally just wear bronzer to work just because this color is a concealer color. So I just put some bronzer back where my color would be, which is on my forehead. And then I do a little right here just to like kind of replicate the appearance of like contour without like the harsh lines because I don't really contour that much. Up next, I'm gonna go in with just some like basic like pinky blush because I have to wear blush. Just gonna like do this NARS blush. And then once I feel like I've gotten the level of color I want there, I just take a little bitty pinch and put it on my nose for that TikToker look. Probably gonna do my eyebrows now, but I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I just finished doing my brows off camera, and if you were curious about what I use, it is the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown. It's just this little pomade, and then I just have this brush. I don't know where it came from, but it's just got this little like angle on it, so, and it's pretty thin, so it works really well. So I decided I'm actually not going to set my concealer because it just doesn't really need to be set except on my eyelids because I do use it as sort of a primer for my eyeshadow. So I'll probably just set my eyelids, and I use the Coty Airspun powder. The smell of it's really strong, but eventually you get used to it. I do like it, except if I'm gonna be like taking flash pictures. I just use my little Morphe sponge and like pinch it so it picks up just a little bit, and then just kind of dab it onto my eyelids. And I don't like bake it, I just kind of like disperse it out. So it just kind of keeps it from getting like really creasy. I signed up for my SAT dates today. Not happy at all. I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. As you can see, I use these quite a bit. Those are my colors. I'm just gonna go in with Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange to kind of just create like a little base color, a little something natural. I'm just taking the Morphe M573 and just kind of putting that in there. Also, thank you guys so much for the support on my first video. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll have the link to it in my description. I just went in with this super fluffy Veorra 35E. I'll have that link below too. I think I got this in an Ipsy bag or a Birchbox. I don't remember which one. Probably Ipsy, because Ipsy normally has more of like brushy things. But I don't know. I don't remember. So now I've got this like little base down. You can't see very good. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if this helps or not, but we just got this little thing going on. I'm probably just gonna go in with this really fluffy brush for a minute and just blend it for a sec, just to make sure we don't have any like harsh lines or edges. So I'm probably just gonna use the brush that I got from that Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I'm just gonna use the flat end of it. Actually, you know what? I could use my new ColourPop shadow. It's one of those Super Shock shadows. I got it a few weeks ago and I haven't used it yet. So this will be fun. It's like a pink color with some like, you can't really see the gold in it, but there's like gold. There's gold in it. And I'm just gonna take a brush. Oh no, it ruined the pattern on it. I messed up the pattern. And I'm just gonna like sort of start to dab it onto my eyelid. I think these work better when you use your fingers. So let's try that. Oh yeah, that definitely helps it. I don't know if you can see it. The more I like pat into this color, the more I'm like in love with it. I am planning on Sunday to be my upload day, but it might not be perfect in the beginning just because like stuff, school starting back, all that. If it comes Sunday or before Sunday and I don't think I'll have the video out, I'll have it on my Instagram story, which I'll link right here. There's my handle. And that's 2 underscores. I think that's good. That's pretty subtle. I'm just gonna take a little bit of Vermeer, take a little bit of this one, and just kind of put it in the inner corner a little bit. And I'm just gonna go back in with those 2 original colors, Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, and just kind of take the other end of the Urban Decay brush and sort of just glide it here. Okay, so this is the eye look. It's just kind of basic, I guess. It's just work. So I'm just gonna put on some highlighter. I think I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Golden Flower Crown just because I haven't used these in a minute. I've got my highlighter on, it's pretty. So now I'm just gonna finish it off by putting on some of the Mario Badescu Rose Spray, and then I'll put on some mascara and I'll see you in just a second. All right, you guys, so I just finished up putting on mascara, and if you were curious, I use Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. On that note, let's get into the second part of the video where I show you the school supplies I bought for this year. So as far as notebooks go, I wanted to keep it colorful because that's the only way I'm gonna get through these senior days. So they're just regular lined, I guess. And they have little gold flecks on them, which is really cute. And they are made by Green Room. Up next, I have this binder with these cute little palm leaves on it. Inside, I have these pastel ombre dividers. I will write on my class names on these. I don't remember the brand these are made by, but they are at Target. All this stuff can be found at Target. And last but not least, I have this cute little pencil case that sort of matches this binder. And it's see-through and it's super long, so I can fit like any type of pen or pencil in it. And since it's see-through, I don't have to go digging around for the right pen or pencil. It's got this little like hook carrying thing. I'm not sure what I'd use that for, but it's still cool. Yeah, this is pretty much everything I'm going into senior year with. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like and a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get a notification every time I post a video. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, I'll have it linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.